Hi, I'm Steve Quigley. I'm co-director of Boston University's Master of Science in Health Communication program, and this is Dr. Dominic Screnchi.
And I'm the other co-director of the Health Communication program, and I'm also the executive director for Educational Media and Technology for Boston University. Boston University is located in the global epicenter of medical care, research, and technology.
This is an exciting and challenging time to be in the field of health communication. The opportunities and the challenges have never been greater. Our goal is to provide a program that taps into the rich resources of Boston University to create a blend of health courses and communication courses. Our faculty are scholars and practitioners from the fields of law, medicine, public health, health communication, nutrition, advertising, marketing, and public relations.
Our health communication program is offered online, and it's to give you the opportunity to participate in a university like Boston University in a program like the health communication program that will offer you opportunities to work and learn in a virtual learning community at your own pace with the flexibility you need to address your work and your home life, and also to learn discipline in a field that you might not have access to where you live.
Ours is the first online master's program in health communication, and we're proud of that. We're even more proud of the investment that Boston University has made in distance education so that the quality of our program and our courses will be every bit as high as that of our on-campus programs.
Health communication is a multifaceted discipline that brings together health sciences and communication to promote and communicate health messages.
We have four basic types of students for whom this program is designed. The first is professional health communicators who want to advance their career. The second is health professionals who want to transition into a communications role. The third is communications professionals who long to work in the healthcare environment. And the last group are career changers.
Health communication is a demanding field that's personally rewarding and can help you make a difference.
We welcome you to explore our program and to contact us if you would like more information.